Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent effort. Welcome to Prem Marble Private Limited, one of the finest marble producers in the country. For the last 35 years, we have delivered on the promise to cater to the best and finest products and services. Located in the city of Udaipur, Rajasthan, our expansive wide estate stocks over thousands of tons of the finest quality marble, wetted and dispensed around the world. Marbles like marine black and cherry gold are two of the rarest stones in the industry, which are mined from our own quarries in Matata and Badi Sadri. With a precisely curated process, we are able to make our marbles stand out from the rest. It all begins with the carving of the marble blocks from the womb of the earth and then getting rid of the uneven sides. The big marble blocks are then transported into the factory. The pristine structures are moved to a palatial facility. The plant uses the latest equipment and global environment-friendly safety practices at each stage. We begin the comprehensive process with the grooming of the natural marble blocks. Each block is severed to provide clean edges, after which they move on to the cutting stage. With unmatched precision, the high-quality gang saws at work deliver cuts with a precision of 3 millimeters. We use one of the best epoxy resin for the marble slabs, which are then cured in an oven for 2 hours. Hereon begins the arduous task of polish, which is done by 18-head Italian polishing line, which gives the marble a much higher class of finish. In all, we provide 6 varieties of finishes: polished, leather, honed, coral, 3D and 5D finishes. This marks the completion of the manufacturing process, and the stone now moves to our sizable storage facility that houses the eclectic collection of varieties of marble. Along with our stones, we also offer a range of finished products and artifacts for our buyers. From CNC to inlays to tabletops and more, the wide catalogue of products glorifies any space they are installed in. All the items are made in our own facility, and our skilled professionals only employ high-quality machines and tools to make each item with unbeatable precision. At Prem Marbles, we deliver quality and satisfaction to our customers, which has ascended us a long way. So far, we have expanded our supply chain into 26 countries and successfully delivered our finest marble and finished products to a myriad of happy clients.
क्योंकि हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारी फिनिशिंग और एक टाइम बाउंड डिलीवरी ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी खासियत है, जो बोल सकते हैं ना भी हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है, जिसको हम हमेशा ध्यान रखते हैं.
To keep this wheel in motion, we have employed a team of workers that make sure the experience of our clients meets the quality of the marble that is carved from our mines.
अभी जो इटालियन का चकाचौंध है, उसके बीच में एक ऐसी फर्म है जो बहुत ही सीरियस एफर्ट्स कर रही है कि हम लोकल स्टोन को इंटरनेशनली कैसे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं.
Prem Marbles has kept to its promise of timeliness and reliability through the decades and will continue to do so, because we find the glory in seeing our marble enhancing businesses and homes throughout the world. The brick may form the structure, but our marble gives it life.